In the foothills of the magnificent Himalayas, where the air is thick with the scent of damp earth and life, stands a true giant, a cornerstone of this vibrant world. I'm speaking, of course, of the SAAL tree, Shorea robusta. It is more than just a tree, it is the very architect of these sprawling tropical forests. As a keystone species, its presence dictates the rhythm and structure of the entire ecosystem, a silent, steadfast guardian that has watched over this land for millennia. Its towering canopy forms a protective umbrella under which a staggering array of life flourishes, each creature and plant intrinsically linked to its existence. The story of the SAAL is woven not only into the ecological fabric of this region, but also into the very soul of the communities that live in its shade. For generations, its resilient wood has built homes, its leaves have served in sacred ceremonies, and its resin has soothed ailments. This profound connection between humanity and nature is a testament to the tree's immense significance. It is a source of shelter, medicine, and spiritual reverence, a living symbol of the delicate balance that sustains life here at the roof of the world. Join me, Prashant, as we journey into the heart of these ancient forests to uncover the secrets of this remarkable tree. We will explore its towering presence, the bustling world it supports within its branches, and the deep cultural roots it has grown in the human heart. Together, we will come to understand why the future of the Himalayan tropical forests and all the life they hold depends so profoundly on the survival of the SAAL. To truly comprehend the Himalayan tropical forests, one must first understand the absolute dominance of a single species. The SAAL tree is not merely a resident here, it is the ruler. In vast swathes of this subcontinent, from the plains of the Ganges to the slopes of these great mountains, it forms forests so dense and widespread that they appear as a single, unbroken ocean of green from above. Its ability to thrive in a variety of soil conditions and its sheer resilience have allowed it to outcompete many other species, creating a landscape that is uniquely its own. This is a kingdom built by SAAL. Its prevalence is staggering. In many areas, it constitutes over 80% of the upper canopy, a testament to its evolutionary success. This dominance creates a very specific environment on the forest floor below. The large, leathery leaves cast a deep, cooling shade, influencing the temperature, humidity, and the very quality of light that reaches the undergrowth. This, in turn, determines which smaller plants, fungi, and insects can survive and thrive in its shadow. The entire community of life here is adapted to the conditions created by this one magnificent tree. The rustle of SAAL leaves in the wind is the constant whispering soundtrack of these forests. It is a sound that has echoed through these valleys for countless centuries. For the animals that make their home here, the SAAL is the backdrop to their entire existence, a source of food, a place of refuge, and the stage upon which the daily dramas of survival unfold. From the smallest insect to the largest mammal, life here is inextricably tied to the rhythm of the SAAL. Its cycles of flowering, fruiting, and shedding leaves marking the passage of the seasons. The SAAL tree is a true spectacle of nature's engineering, an embodiment of strength and endurance. Reaching for the sky, a mature specimen can grow to an astonishing height of 35 meters, its straight, cylindrical trunk a pillar of living wood. Its bark is thick, dark brown, and deeply fissured, a rugged armor that protects it from the elements and the occasional forest fire, to which it is remarkably resistant. To stand at the base of a fully grown SAAL is to feel humbled by its sheer scale and the silent, patient power it exudes. It is a living monument, a testament to decades, sometimes centuries, of slow, persistent growth. But its magnificence is not just in its size, it is also in the quality of its heartwood. The timber of the SAAL is legendary. It is incredibly hard, heavy, and cross-grained, making it one of the most durable woods in the world. This natural resilience makes it highly resistant to decay, water, and the ravages of termites. For this reason, it has been prized for centuries in construction, used for everything from railway sleepers and bridge beams to house frames and fine furniture. Its strength is not just a feature, it is the very essence of its character. Harvesting such a formidable resource is no simple task. It requires immense effort and a deep respect for the power of the tree. Yet, for communities living alongside these forests, the value of SAAL timber has been a cornerstone of their economy and way of life. The challenge, as always, lies in finding the balance between utilization and conservation. The very durability that makes the SAAL so valuable also puts it at risk, reminding us that even the strongest giants require our stewardship to continue standing tall for generations to come. A SAAL forest is far more than just a collection of trees. It is a bustling, multi-layered metropolis of life. The vast canopy, a city in the sky, provides a home and a larder for an incredible diversity of creatures. Langur monkeys leap with breathtaking agility from branch to branch, feasting on tender new leaves. Countless species of birds, from the raucous parakeet to the melodious flycatcher, build their nests in the safety of its boughs, their songs filling the air from dawn till dusk. The very structure of the tree, with its sturdy branches and dense foliage, creates a complex three-dimensional habitat. Down on the forest floor, a different community thrives in the dappled shade. The thick carpet of fallen SAAL leaves creates a rich, fertile humus, a perfect nursery for a host of shade-loving plants, ferns, and exotic orchids. This layer of leaf litter is a world in itself, teeming with insects, millipedes, and earthworms, all tirelessly working to recycle nutrients back into the soil. These decomposers are the unseen heroes of the ecosystem, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. Larger animals, like the spotted deer and the wild boar, forage here for fallen fruits and tender shoots. Even the mightiest predator of these forests, the tiger, depends on the SAAL. The dense undergrowth, nurtured by the tree's shade, provides the perfect cover for this elusive hunter to stalk its prey. The SAAL forest is the stage for this timeless drama of predator and prey. Its trunks the silent witnesses to the daily struggle for survival. Every single organism, from the fungus on a decaying log to the apex predator, is part of a complex web of life with the SAAL tree at its very center. It is a living, breathing ecosystem powered by one extraordinary plant. The bond between the SAAL tree and the people of the Himalayas transcends the purely practical. It is deeply woven into the cultural and spiritual fabric of their lives. For countless generations, the SAAL has been a sacred entity, often worshipped as a manifestation of local deities. Its groves are considered sacred spaces, natural temples where communities gather for ceremonies, festivals, and important life rituals. The tree is not just a part of the landscape, it is a living ancestor, a bridge between the physical and the spiritual worlds, respected and revered for the life it gives. The gifts of the SAAL are manifold and have been integrated into daily life in ingenious ways. Its large, tough leaves are not merely discarded, they are skillfully stitched together with small twigs to create disposable plates and bowls, known as patravali. This sustainable practice is used for community feasts and religious offerings, a perfect example of living in harmony with nature. Furthermore, the tree yields a fragrant oleo resin, known as sal damar, or duna. When burned as incense, its aromatic smoke is believed to purify the air and ward off evil spirits, making it an essential component of religious ceremonies and prayers. The SAAL's role as a healer is also deeply rooted in traditional knowledge. Various parts of the tree have been used in Ayurvedic and other local medicinal practices for centuries. The resin is known for its astringent and antiseptic properties, used to treat skin ailments and heal wounds. Extracts from the bark and leaves are used to prepare remedies for a variety of illnesses. This ancient pharmacy, provided freely by the forest, highlights the profound holistic relationship between the people and the SAAL, where the tree is a provider of shelter, spiritual solace, and physical well-being. While its towering presence is what first captures the eye, some of the SAAL tree's most vital work happens silently, beneath the surface and across the landscape. One of its most crucial roles is that of an anchor, a guardian against the powerful forces of erosion. The Himalayan region, with its steep slopes and heavy monsoon rains, is particularly vulnerable to landslides and soil loss. The SAAL tree, with its deep and extensive root system, acts like a natural net, binding the soil together and holding the fragile hillsides in place. Without these roots, the annual rains would wash away precious topsoil, devastating the land. The SAAL forest is also a masterful regulator of water, a giant living sponge. During the intense monsoon season, the dense canopy intercepts a significant portion of the rainfall, reducing its impact on the ground and allowing the water to drip slowly onto the forest floor. The thick layer of leaf litter then absorbs this water, preventing rapid runoff and allowing it to percolate gently into the ground. This process recharges underground aquifers and ensures a more stable year-round supply of water to streams and rivers, benefiting both the forest ecosystem and human communities downstream. By performing these essential, often invisible services, the SAAL tree is fundamental to the stability of the entire region. It maintains the fertility of the soil, ensures the purity and flow of water, and mitigates the risk of natural disasters. It is a tireless environmental engineer, working day and night to maintain the delicate equilibrium of the forest. The health of the SAAL is therefore directly linked to the health and safety of the entire Himalayan foothills. Its protection is not just about preserving a species, it is about safeguarding the very foundation of this fragile and beautiful world. As our journey comes to a close, we are left with a profound appreciation for the SAAL tree. It is so much more than wood and leaves. It is the lifeblood of the Himalayan tropical forests. From its roots that clutch the soil, preventing the land from washing away, to its canopy that shelters a world of biodiversity, the SAAL is the ultimate keystone. It is the silent provider, the sacred guardian, and the resilient architect of this entire ecosystem. The intricate web of life here, from the smallest insect to the majestic tiger, and the rich human cultures that have flourished in its presence, all depend on its continued strength and vitality. The story of the SAAL is a powerful reminder of the deep interconnectedness of all living things. Its health is a direct reflection of the health of the forest, and its future is inextricably linked with our own. As we have seen, its contributions are immense, from stabilizing the climate and regulating water cycles to providing resources and spiritual solace. To lose these forests would be an immeasurable tragedy, silencing the chorus of life that echoes through these valleys and severing a connection that has sustained people for millennia. Therefore, let us carry the image of this mighty tree in our minds. Let us appreciate the unseen work it does every single day. It is our collective responsibility to ensure these sentinels of the Himalayas continue to stand tall for centuries to come. By supporting conservation efforts, respecting traditional knowledge, and promoting sustainable practices, we can help protect these vital ecosystems. For in protecting the SAAL, we are not just saving a tree, we are preserving a world, and in doing so, we are safeguarding a crucial part of our planet's natural heritage.